It is your man Cleveland Terry, and today I have a whole bunch of stuff sitting on my table. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, why do you have all these random cables, random cords, iPads, Denon Prime goes on your table? This is the stuff that I keep with me in case some stuff goes down. So we're gonna talk about it today. We're gonna spend like 5 minutes on it. We're gonna try to fly through these things, but all these things are necessary in case some stuff goes down. So whether you're a newbie or whether you're a established DJ, this may help you. So let's talk about it. By the way, a little side note, I know a lot of you guys are following me on here, but make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, and also make sure you are following me on Instagram, because I post a lot of content that is not on YouTube, so make sure you are getting the full experience. First things first, look, I'm not gonna talk about all the things that you definitely need to have, like your headphones and your computer and all of those things. I wanna talk to you about things that you might not think you need until something happens and you're like, oh, it would have been great if I had that. So we're gonna talk about that. Let's talk about headphones real quick. Most mixers today have dual inputs for your headphone jack. You can either go with the mini jack or you can go with the 1/4 inch. But in some cases, that headphone jack only has a 1/4 inch input. And a lot of people have their headphones and maybe they're not thinking about this. So go out of your way, order one of these guys. This is your headphone jack to 1/4 inch. This will save your life. It's probably one of the most important things you'll ever have, because if you walk into a place and it requires a 1/4 inch and you don't have it, you're basically assed out. So make sure you get one of these. For the people that use Macs and the people that use some newer computers with USB-C, you might get to a venue or a club and realize that all they have is the standard USB-A cords. So to prevent embarrassment, I recommend you buying one of these little guys. This is a USB-A to USB-C adapter. Now, of course, you can get them in longer ones, you can get them in hubs. These are super cheap and they sit in your bag. They don't take up a lot of space. It's a what if kind of scenario, but you need to have these. These are also great for when a client comes up to you and says, oh, hey, I need you to play this song and it's on a thumb drive, or here's the video, it's on a thumb drive for you to play. This is gonna save your life. This is like $5 on Amazon. Make sure you pick up one of these. Along the lines of a client giving you something that you're not prepared for, a lot of people, when they have performances, maybe you bring a singer in, maybe there's like a belly dancer and they come in, they always have their iPhone, and their iPhone, well, requires a headphone jack adapter. So you're gonna need two things. So this is a double whammy here, but you're going to need a RCA, 2 headphone jack, like so, and you're also going to need, it's not your responsibility, but if you don't have it, you look like the ass, not the person that forgot theirs. Make sure you pick up one of these lightning to headphone jack dongles. I typically recommend buying the Apple ones, because when you don't buy the Apple ones, sometimes you run into compatibility issues. So it's almost better to make sure you get the Apple versions. This will save your life, especially for performances. This is also a double savior, because this will save you in case somebody has some music or you're playing a video montage. But in the event that, say, your computer goes down, or your Serato goes down specifically, your record box goes down, whatever it might be, and you need to make sure you're playing music like you're going out of iTunes, well, headphone jack to RCAs will save your life. You put this in the auxiliary on your mixer. Most mixers have an auxiliary. If they don't, it's the channel input, and then it's typically switchable to a line level, and then your headphone jack can go right into your computer. That way you can have music playing up until the time when Serato reboots itself. This right here should be in everybody's bag. Without question, you need to have this in all of your bags. I'd like to think that everything I'm talking about should be in your bag, but you know, I know some people wanna leverage. It's not like all this stuff is expensive. This is super cheap stuff, but $25 worth of stuff might save you from having to refund the $2,500 that you just billed the client. So listen to my words. Now, one other thing that I would recommend, especially for you club DJs, is make sure that you keep, especially if you're using a MacBook or a USB-C computer, get your own USB-B to USB-C cord. The adapters are great, but adapters wiggle. If you're moving around a lot, this might get in the way, you might pull it. I just don't trust them. So I would rather have my own cord that I can plug into the mixer and then run it directly in. And then you also know which cord is yours, so you're not pulling out the wrong thing, because that is a thing. So get this, also very cheap. I do recommend the Chroma cables. I do love those, but I got this one on Amazon. I'll put all those in my Amazon affiliate box so you can have access to it. Also, you want to have some sort of a backup system in place. Now, this could be as simple as an iPhone with Algorithms DJ, an iPad, which is definitely more robust, or getting yourself some sort of a hardware controller that you can swap out relatively quickly in the case some stuff goes down. So, these are the things that are kind of essential. So let's say, for instance, you got your system in place and maybe you only have an iPhone or an iPad and it's going into your controller or your mixer and the hardware goes down. Not the computer, but the hardware. What do you do then? This is where a lot of people, I think, forget that there's one more important piece that everybody should have in their system, and that is an adapter that goes headphone jack to XLR. Because if you need to get around the system, there's only one real way to do that. And that is, for instance, if you need to go directly into your amps or directly into your powered speakers. This is going to save your butt. So grab yourself headphone adapter to XLR. These. Make sure they're these, not the other ones. And I always forget which is female or male because I always think that the male is the one with the... Neither here nor there. These are the things I always keep in my bag. Now, if you're wondering which things I touch typically the most, that is RCA to headphone jack, this guy right here, this USB-A to USB-C, and of course, the 1/4 inch adapter for my headphones. I am always constantly grabbing these things because they are very, very important. Now, if you are a DJ, a turntable DJ, look, I don't have to tell you, but make sure that you carry your own records, your own slip mats, and of course your own needles, because sometimes you get to a place and they're like, oh, we don't have those things, and now you're screwed. So those are the 5 or 6 things that you definitely need in order to get by in the case of an emergency. Don't sleep on it, don't put it to the side, pick these things up as quickly as possible, because trust me when I tell you, it's gonna save your butt. One other thing I didn't talk about is this guy right here. This is a 1/4 inch to headphone jack, because some people still use 1/4 inch for audio. So grab one of these guys right here. Super cheap also. That'll save your life. All right, guys. If you found what I said here useful, hit that like button. If you found what I said here really useful, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you follow me on the Instagrams and the Twitters. Also, get on my Discord, because that's where we're talking about all things Cleveland Terry. Guys, girls, always a pleasure. If I don't talk to you later, we'll talk soon. Peace.